Hello learners, NIOS welcomes you to painting subject video series. This is lesson number 15 part 2. Now we will learn about the first painter and his painting. The name of the artist is M.A.R. Jugdai and the name of this painting is Radhika. That is the title, Radhika. Artist is M.A.R. Jugdai. Medium is wash and tempera on paper. The style is the Bengal school. And this painting is at the National Gallery of Modern Art, that is NGMA in New Delhi. This painting is currently located at New Delhi at the National Gallery of Modern Art, and in short we can call it NGMA in New Delhi. Description of Radhika. Radhika is shown in profile. Her costume, she is wearing a violet ghagra, red choli and yellow dupatta. She is also holding two lotuses, one in each hand. The artist has perfectly depicted the folds of the costume. This painting was done with the help of the wash technique, and the depiction of mellow light has been shown very artistically. The background is colored red and yellow, creating a kind of tonal gradation. As you see in the center, it also has a kind of a luminous effect, whereas the sides are graded in terms of the shades or the tones of the color used. This is the second painting. This painting is called Crucifixion. The artist is Jamini Roy. Medium. This painting is done by the tempera technique on cardboard. The style is folk style. As you know, Jamini Roy was very influenced by the folk style of Bengal, and this painting is now displayed at the National Gallery of Modern Art, New Delhi, in short NGMA. Description of this painting. The artist Jamini Roy was deeply influenced by two art forms. First was the Patachitras and the terracotta toys. Both these places in Bengal, and had a lot of art which deeply influenced Jamini Roy. The artist through this painting is showing the crucifixion of Jesus, and Jesus is placed in the center. You would also notice that the other figures are painted dark to give importance to the central figure, which is Jesus. The colors used are earth colors, red, yellow, green, grey, vermilion, blue, white, yellow and black. The mood of the entire painting is grim, disappointing, sorrowful. Now the third painting. The title is The Magician. Artist is Gagendranath Tagore. The medium is tempera on paper. The style is individual, cubist or the cubism technique. The collection is at the National Gallery of Modern Art at New Delhi, or the short form NGMA. The description of the magician. The painting at the very central area features a strong figure, which is a magician who has a flowing beard. Next to the magician, general description of the painting, magician. At the very center, you would see the strong figure of a magician with a flowing beard. Right next to the magician is a queen who is placed behind a screen made of wood and glass. Next to the magician, and on the opposite side is a thin figure wearing a brown cloak standing over the steps. The artist has very creatively split the various space levels of the painting, like the cubist, the colors brown, off-white and red and they also are creating a prism effect. The artist Gagendranath was one of the first Indian painters to start experimenting with European styles, like the cubist technique was one of the techniques, famous techniques of the European style, and Gagendranath started experimenting with these styles. And the mood of the painting is mysterious and magical. I hope you enjoyed watching part 2 of the lesson. If you have any queries, you can email us at signlanguage@ac.in, signlanguage@nios.ac.in. For more information, you may visit our website www.nios.ac.in. Thank you.